Hi everybody, here doing a Riddler 99 box break of Panini Certified Hockey. This was for an auction ended last night, November 5th. Let's scroll down, started ending around 8 o'clock, I guess. This one actually ended at 7:48 Eastern Time, which is earlier than I usually end them. The winner of this one for Colorado was Roadrunner 536. You can see Colorado Roadrunner 536. Scroll down. See the box number, NE93887438. Here are the rest of the winners. I'm just going to read a couple of them out first. Edmonton Oilers was Warren Louvre. New York Islanders was AB5885. Toronto Maple Leafs was Duckfoot. So you can see your name on the list. And I'm going to pop open my webcam and get started with the break. Here we are. So here's the box. I'm just going to quickly show you the serial, assuming it will come up. Oh, maybe not. 93887438. I can make it out. I hope you guys can. So anyways, sealed box. Had some good things come out of. I've only done 2 boxes of certified before this. Had an Ovechkin out of 5 Emerald Auto Redemption and a PK Subban 1 of 5 Canada Prime Fabric of the Game. Let's hope for something good out of this. If this is a hot box, all cards get shipped. One out of 8 boxes are hot boxes. Empty. Checklist. Ten packs, 5 cards per pack. Let's get going. First card. These are not certified, so it's not a hot box. Ryan Getzlaf, base. Jonathan Quick, base. Thomas Plekanec, base. We have certified Eternals. Ron Francis, Pittsburgh Penguins. Decoy. Kerry Lettinen. A rather thick pack. We have a Crosby base. We have a Backstrom base. St. Louis base. Luke Shen base. We have a number 4 of 5. Again, Canada. Ryan Close, San Jose Sharks. Is it 3 color? No, 2 color. Just looks like with the shading there. Prime Canada. Number 4 of 5. And we have a Patrick Sharp base. Nice hit. Patrick Kane base. Antti Niemi base. Shea Weber base. We have a Jakob Markstrom Florida Panthers Mass Marvels. Decoy. And a Loophole base. Thomas Vanek base. Mike Richards base. Brizgalov base. We have a certified gold team. Pekka Rinne. Nashville Predators. This is a Decoy. And Ryan Whitney base. Marc-Andre Fleury base. Erik Karlsson base. Stephen Weiss base. Malkin base. We have a number 10 out of 50. 10 out of 50. Immortals dual jersey of Joe Nieuwendyk, Calgary Flames. We have a Matt Molson base. We have a Eric Fair base, Jordan Eberle base, Dion Phaneuf base. We have a freshman signatures, auto Matt Fratton, Toronto Maple Leafs, decoy, and a Camilleri base. Pavlik base, Tavares base, Rick Nash base, Luongo base, decoy, and a Markstrom base. Thomas base, Koivu base, Datsuk base, Brassard base. We have a number 17 out of 25. Fabric of the Game, Cal Clutterbuck, Minnesota Wild, number 22 on there. So this is number 17 out of 25. Minnesota Wild. And we have a JVR base. That box so far. We have a Reamer base, Anderson base, Iginla base. We have a Certified Immortals out of 199, Curtis Joseph, Toronto Maple Leafs, decoy, and Jeff Carter base. Last pack. Paul Stastny base, Brent Burns base, Jimmy Howard base, Jonathan Toews base, decoy, and a Corey Schneider base. So that's it for the box of certified. Thank you everybody for participating in my breaks. I'm going to come back with a Just the Hits video, basically summarizing everything that came out of that box. Thanks everybody.